So guys, my classmate always ask me, what is your name? And I was saying, my name is Bridget. And they say, no, the trend on YouTube. So I said, oh, I get it now. Then they say, what is your name? And my other classmate said, my name is Pink and I'm really glad to meet you. And I say, no, you gotta go like this. My name is Pink and I'm really glad to meet you. You recommended me by some people. Hey, ooh, is this illegal? Hey, ooh, it feels illegal. So I'm going to quit. I'm getting ready for school. I didn't even shower. So I'll just let my broken slime in this shit. On my fucking table. I'm a Filipino girl. All day is so annoying. What is your name? 6-7. Go. 6-7 on a Merry Christmas. 6-7. We're going up. Again kasi putting my mom's sleep. You're not sleep. I'm freaking annoyed. Why do people that hated him? What is your name? My name is Charles.